Slowly come up. Yes. Now let's do Trikonasana, triangle posture. To do Trikonasana, spread your legs. Keep it 3.5 feet wider. Turn your right foot exactly 90 degrees, left foot slightly inwards, arms parallel. Inhale. With exhalation, bend your right, grab your right ankle or the right big toe, to your left thumb. Gaze your left thumb. Stay there. Continue taking deep breaths. Yes. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Turn your left foot left side and then right foot slightly inwards. Inhale. Now bend your left, hold your left big toe, gaze your right thumb or see the sky. Take deep breaths. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Parivrutta Trikonasana. Again, spread your legs. Same distance. Turn your right foot right side 90 degrees and left foot slightly inwards, arms parallel. Turn your whole body towards right. Roll. Place your left palm next to the inner sole or the outer sole. Turn your spine and gaze your right thumb. Stay there. Continue taking deep breaths. Keep the legs straight. Yes, now spread your legs and bend forward. Upavistha Konasana. Take deep breaths. Yes, again plan. Do butterfly again. Spine straight, shoulders back. Again, spread the legs and bend forward. Upavistha Konasana. Relax. So try Kurmasana, turtle pose. Right hand below right leg, left hand below left leg. Extend and put your head down. Try Kurmasana, turtle pose. Yes, extend Shika. Try putting head down. Good.